Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox connection error or where it says problem reaching servers. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like you to try just basically restarting your computer. Also, restart your router, okay? Or if you have a modem, go ahead and restart your modem as well. Now, if that still will work, well, go ahead over to your search bar right here. Go ahead and type down local app data %. Again, %local app data %. Now, go ahead and click on this file folder. In here, just find the Roblox folder. Double click on it. Now, go ahead and find logs, okay? In here, double click on it. Now, go ahead and delete all the files from here. Right click and hit on delete, like so. And once done, go ahead and launch the Roblox player. It should be good to go. If that still will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down control panel. Click on control panel right here and make sure that under view by it is set to large icons. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead and click on network and sharing center. Okay. Click on it. Now in here, go ahead and click on change adapter settings. Okay. Now in here, go ahead and double click on the network that you're currently using. Okay. I'm currently using Ethernet right here. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. I'm going to click on properties. Now in here, locate TCP IPv4. Click on it and click on properties. And here, go ahead and copy my settings, okay? Obtain an IP address automatically. Check. Use the following DNS server. Check. Copy this one, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Okay? Hit on OK, close this one, and run Roblox and check if it helps. If that will work, or if it works and if it's lagging in your end, you can go ahead and choose 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. All right, and once that's on, just hit on OK. Close this one. Close. Now you gotta launch Roblox or via the web, doesn't matter, and you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.